Hello guys, welcome to the lecture of today. And today I'm mainly focusing on those people who are doing forex trading. And most people wonder how to set the TDI. So this is a lecture for how to set a TDI like a pro. So to start with, we're going to tap on your screen, and then you look for the letter F. Then you press the letter, and you have to look for the relative strength index. We scroll down, and here we are, RSI. So to set our RSI, most people will find their RIS periods on 14. So we change this to, we change this to a 14 and to a 13, 13, and apply to, we close, and the style you go for 2 megapixels, and the color for this thing, if your screen is white, you turn it white, and if it's black, you turn it black. So I'm going for black myself, and then we press done. Here we have our thingy here, and then the next thing, you tap on your screen, press letter F, and here we go where there is written indicator window 1, and you press the letter F with a little plus sign, and you press. We look for the moving average. Press moving average, and here on the moving averages we go to period, and we type, we change this to a 2. We press 2. The shift is equals to 0. You leave it like that. Then the method, you press simple. We go for simple, and then apply to, we go for previous indicators data. Then you press previous indicators data. Then the pixel, the style, we press 2 pixels. I normally use 2 pixels. And then the color, you go for the letter, for the color green. I like this one. I would pick this green one. And then if you are done, you press done. Here we are. We have our green moving average. Then we move on to the next one. You press, you tap on the screen. You press the letter F. Indicator window number 1. You press the F again, and then you go to moving average. Press moving average. You change the period to 7. And if you change the period to 7, shift is going to be 0. Method is simple. The apply, you leave it as previous indicators data, and then style 2 pixels, and we change the color to a red color. I'm going to choose this. No, let me use this red. Then you press the levels, you leave it as it is. You press done. Here we have our moving average. Then we move to the third one. Tap on your screen, letter F, then indicator windows 1, press, look for moving average, and then moving average, the period now, you change this to a 34. 34, your shift is going to be 0. The method, simple. Here now, on this one, you change the apply to the first indicator's data. First indicator data, and then your style is going to be, I use 2 pixels, but the color now, you change it to a yellow. You choose yellow. Yeah, you choose yellow. And then if you're done, press done. Here we have our thing. Then lastly, your TDI is not complete if you don't have the Bollinger Bands. So you tap on your screen and press the letter F, you indicate, you press on the indicator window 1, and then you look for Bollinger Bands here. Number 2, Bollinger Bands. Then on Bollinger Bands now, your period is going to remain at 34. Then you change the deviation. The deviation is going to be 1.618. You move on to the shift. The shift is going to be 0, and you apply to the first indicator data. Then your style, I use 2 pixels, and then the color, this water blue, this blue. You click on this one, and then you press done. If you're done, you see your thing will look perfectly. For those who use the TDIs to do their trading, I hope guys you found this tutorial helpful, and catch me on the next video when I'll be like talking how to set the moving averages on the main indicator window. The TDI and those moving averages, they work hand in hand. So catch me guys on the next video. Peace.